We excited for IKEA?
Yeah.
We're gonna go out to the IKEA here. We're the biggest IKEA in North America.
Wait,
9:08 p.m.
9:08 p.m.
Sunday, April 24th.
And it closes at 10 o'clock.
Outdoor or just take around with an outdoor patio seating arrangement that makes it easy for anyone to enjoy the outside space.
Narration by Oscar. Oh, this is straight fire. Little space.
Yeah, it, like gives you ideas for setup.
Right. I'll live here.
I want to be. Look at this bed right here.
Oh, that'll be so fun.
Is that? I wouldn't.
Yeah. No? Because look into the next room now. That is very cute. I like that. Ooh. Let me thinking that's a microphone. Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, like it's hot up here, but not the bulb itself.
That's weird. They don't get hot. Okay, lowest prices.
Couch. This is my couch right here.
That's where you got your couch?
No, this is my exact.
That really is your couch. That's so funny.
Yeah. And then I have the mini version of it in the same color. Yeah, that's my couch.
First off, it's $20. It's not even. I like that they have the little thingies on here. Because when I first moved to Seattle, I would go to IKEA regularly for funsies. And the square footage helped me figure out how I was going to decorate my house. Because my apartment that I was going for was only like 700 square feet.
There you go, y'all. Listen to Stacy.
Of course they do. It's IKEA.
Wow.
Well,
Guys, we should get a photo of all of us, and then we should just like stick it to this wall here and pretend that we're a stock photo.
I love that for us.
Can we rename? Okay,
You see that?
This is like his second family.
Right.
So that's his wife,
Is this
and that's the side
the
chick.
same guy?
Okay.
Wait. It's.
Tea.
Oh, he's
Is some food here?
This is so pretty. Y'all, don't let me buy a house. We should, you know what, guys? We should buy like a huge plot of land and live on it. Because yeah. Welcome. I think we're having all the time.
Thanks, I'm here to interview.
Me? Okay.
This is a really creepy.
That's the one flaw is that we should have people come in and get out, and they make it so hard.
Well, they're smart HUDs, but you can rarely find them.
Yeah. The warehouse would be the worst part.
But then at the end of it, it's food court.
Yeah.
See, wait, they're just
Where's the food?
No, this is the shortcut. You're here. We're
Right.
through there.
We could go all the way to 9.
The turtles have these ones. These
Okay.
are for red wine because they're bigger.
Right.
Wine, not cold.
I don't like it. No, my dad like is a big one.
If you take this way, you start one of these big.
The dog.
Here, let's take a picture of
All of us pretend to his face right now.
Family dinner.
Oh, you can see.
It's our family dinner.
Family dinner. Wait, you have great lighting on this new phone. Hold on, I look good.
Stop it.
Wow.
I gotta act, I gotta, you know, like,
Parker.
okay, make me laugh.
All right. We're gonna do wrap around, wrap around.
So do it where I'm like in the bed.
What is happening here?
Kitchen goals.
This is
She said, "This is so LA." And then the bed would be right here.
No, I just.
You know, I'm gonna design a kitchen chair that's also cute.
Oh, this is
You know,
great.
they have that, like, aren't any cars that have like
That's a good question. So the kitchen doesn't equal to the top.
yeah.
All we did was go over
No,
one
we
place.
literally just walked
Oh, okay, never mind.
workspaces. Okay.
Although I'd question how clean it is in here.
Wait. It could be clean.
Okay, period, period,
That's what I'm
period.
like.
Because I like this.
Even though it's not one.
When is it?
Not you making it in the vlog.
We're here in I was gonna say Target. We're here in IKEA.
And we're in
Checking out-
Target.
We're doing the 24-hour IKEA challenge.
Bro's tucked in.
Right.
It's only like the tiny box type thing.
This is so cute.
They have really good
love
plushies.
it.
And
Oh.
they're so
This
soft.
dinosaur, his head is.
That is so cute.
Save the sea animals.
Oh my god.
Want me to remove the sign so it looks like you're really in somebody's house? Post it on Instagram.
Okay, outfit.
This goes.
Okay,
I like this
wardrobe.
for you, Ray. I mean, Parker.
Thank you.
That's what I was about
Me
to
and my
say.
Grimstorp AF. Me doing my makeup.
It's for you, Barbie.
Oh my god, it is so
Okay, Margot Robbie.
Like, right? Like, look at you.
Is that what ice cream is?
Yeah.
Period.
Before they
I think you mean the
Okay.
click.
What is this called, Stacy?
Big good.
call me an ice cream.
Yes.
She said retake. This is where I belong, guys. Gaming Central.
All right. Parker, give us a haul. Give us a haul.
The best of 1979. Look.
Okay, go ahead.
First off, I have my used coffee. And I have a photo of a man. I don't know who he is.
That's
I just
poetic.
yeah, right. And these are my shirts. I have my best of 1979. That's when I was born. And these are my 4 flannels. And this is my jacket.
This is also what they called me in high school.
And this is my dartboard, guys. Wait,
No.
I cannot throw any darts. And this is a photo of another man that I took. I don't know who he is either. I just keep random photos in my room.
Why does he look like Shaggy?
No.
I found a diary from
Ooh.
Parker.
Uh-oh, Parker.
Diary.
It's written in Swedish. So.
They have an IKEA bucket.
the fashion stuff.
First
This
off-
is like something Kanye would design, you know?
Right.
I kind of want that.
Parker, I'm impressed that you have that in your apartment.
Thank you. I also I
yeah.
stole this guy's skateboard in this photo and decorated my own house with
Yes.
it. And here's me playing my games.
Okay.
Save the elephant.
Okay, so this is what I thought that rabbit pillow was gonna feel like.
No.
In the arms of
Save the elephants. I'm campaigning for the elephants because they are much adorabler.
I like sharks.
an angel campaign.
And so you see the ivory tusks. This is why they
It's just Parker singing in the back.
Fly away.
Right. People skin these
How
and
many-
put them in their living room.
be like,
In the arms
what? This is like the Annabelle
of the
dog.
angel. Fly away. Fly away.
She's killing the.
No.
Your baby's
killing the
cozy.
shark.
Always place your baby on back to sleep. Oh my gosh. That's really why the polar
You know
bears are dying.
there was an elephant.
No, dude. Pick another animal, Oscar.
Look, They have all of them mashed up together.
The monkey.
Orangutan. Look at the team rat.
Oh, these are so cute.
Ooh, the Crocs.
Not the croc.
Oh my god, it lays an egg.
It's an egg. Oh, it's a baby.
It hatches.
Wait. Let me. This is
the creation of life.
Oh.
It's crazy. It's completely different
Like,
dinosaurs.
she's like, and then
She leaves it to dad.
You are not the father.
and then this guy's left
That's not my
wondering.
baby.
Hold up. Wait a minute. This guy.
Wait, that looks like Bowser. You know, it's like peaches. Came a little late, so we missed the food. This is only gonna be part 1. Part 2, we are gonna make sure to eat here next time.
Yeah. In
Part 2.
Yeah, in part 2, Mr. IKEA comes out. So stay tuned. Okay.
That's what you get. That's why you almost ran into that. That's what you get for messing around with my vlog.
My bad.
Now we're really getting our workout in today, huh?
Bro, we've been walking all day.
We really have. We still are.
That's just what they'll do.
Period. Because look at all these steps. This is too much work.
Well, isn't the...
Are you gonna walk? Check it out.
Parker can lead the way because she's been here 1,000 times. Plot twist, this is all actually Parker's house.
These are all of my cutting boards.
Okay, cutting boards.
And
It's
my
giving.
pots and pans.
Period. Ooh.
Look at that.
Wow.
Yes, you know when you're in lighting, you're almost in the shade.
No Tino shade. It really is. They really said Pride Month is coming up.
Oh, yes. They have really cute pride bags. They have rainbow bags for that.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Hit it.
Look at this table. Look at how convenient this table is.
Oh.
This is white engineer or whatever. Architects. Who designs this table?
Table making? Probably engineers.
Furniture design.
The Swedish.
The Swedish. You know, I designed that too.
Outfit. Look at that. I can do a whole. Oh, durable.
So hard to be still involved.
Yeah, no. Literally went to a falls.
What a fun shoe.
Somebody fun.
That's the thumbnail.
This desk is good. Well, I'll just take a photo of it. Anyway.
How much is
you
it?
should take a photo of the thing on it.
It's called Mickey. Mickey, he's right here. Or Mike. Mickey. Say Mickey. It's Mickey.
It's 10:02 now. Thank you for tracking me.
Go up at 7. Oh, and they've got the other stuff.
Yeah, the IV section.
You want to go?
Although it is like closed.
I forgot how to turn that off.
Do you want to go to the RC?
The as-is section. Oh, fire. Wow.
I just got my
The
couch
rug.
here. What the fuck?
Not those rugs.
Oh, the pink one, like London Tipton.
Yes.
This looks like something in her room, right?
Ew, why does it feel like stains on it?
Uh-oh.
Right? It's like $160. It's only like $40 off. Right?
You went over here so quick to that rug.
They got in my way. It's not as soft as that. It's gonna be so full and disappointing. But for $159, it's a pretty nice rug. It's
cute.
thick, it's big. Line your walls with it. It'll be great. Shiny stuff.
Instead of the other way.
Oh, I want that.
The banana.
I know, it looks pretty cool.
It's so cute.
I used to want this table so bad, and then I bought a different one. The other one came with the chickens already.
That is nice. Yeah. Like I could see me reading a book
Just sitting by the fire,
Sitting by the
drinking some
fire
hot
with the
coffee.
logs crackling and snackling. This is nice.
It does look nice. Let's see right here. Period. That's what I saw her eating in the beginning of the vlog. Where's that at?
For $1.50, that's crazy. McDonald's got this for 99 cents in this real ice cream. Come on.
Alright, it's time to exit IKEA.
First off the box, okay?
Alright, goodbye IKEA.
I've done IKEA in an hour.